Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers, welcome to Study Hub. Today is our lecture number 1 of English Grammar lecture series. So before we start the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that you will get latest updates from our future videos as well. So viewers, without any further discussion, without any further delay, let's start our today's topic, which is English Grammar lecture series, lecture number 1. So let's get started. Viewers, in today's lecture I will discuss with you about the sentence and kinds of sentences. So first of all, we will discuss about sentence, that what is sentence, how we can elaborate a sentence. When we speak or write, we use words. We generally use these words in groups, as little Jack Horner sat in a corner. A group of words like this which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Viewers, sentence means group of words which makes complete sense, that after sentence we can understand the meaning of sentence, meaning of the words. That is all about the sentence. When we speak or write, we use words. We generally use these words in groups, as little Jack Horner sat in a corner. So group of words like this is called a sentence. Next, what are the different kinds of sentences? Kinds of sentences, we have 4 kinds of sentences. Sentences are of 4 kinds. Number 1, those which make statements or assertions, as Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Number 2, those which ask questions, as where do you live. Number 3, those which express commands, requests or entreaties, as be quiet. And number 4, those which express strong feelings, as how cold the night is, what a shame. Dear students, kinds of sentences, as we discussed, that we have 4 kinds of sentences. In number 1, those sentences which make statements or assertions, as Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. And number 2nd type of sentences are those which ask questions, like where do you live, where are you going, how old you are. Number 3rd is those which express commands, requests or entreaties. In other words, you can say it applications, as be quiet. And number 4th is those which express strong feelings, as how cold the night is, what a shame. Next, we will further elaborate all these 4 types of sentences. First of all, we have declarative or assertive. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called declarative or assertive sentence. Viewers, sentence that makes a statement, like we discussed earlier, that a Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, it is a sentence which makes a statement, so we can call it declarative or assertive sentence. Next, we have interrogative. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence, like how old are you, where do you live. These sentences actually asks a question, that is called interrogative sentence. Next, we have imperative sentences. A sentence that expresses a command or an entreaty is called an imperative sentence. And number 4th is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. As we discussed in the part 1st of our today's lecture, that exclamatory sentence is the sentence which expresses strong feelings, like what a shame, how cold the night is. And imperative sentences like be quiet, have mercy upon you, which expresses commands, requests, that are the imperative sentences. So viewers, It is all about our today's lecture, which was related to the sentence and kinds of sentences. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Inshallah, very soon we will start over another lecture. Until then, thank you so much for tuning. Allah Nasir.